Did you know that you started yawning before you were born? Yawning is an involuntary action that causes us to open our mouths wide and breathe in deeply. We know it is involuntary because we did it even before we were born. Research has shown that 11 weeks old fetuses yawn. While yawning is commonly associated with relaxation and drowsiness, excessive yawning, according to experts, can be caused by a vasovagal reaction and may indicate a heart problem. The yawn reflex has long been observed to be contagious. Interestingly, while all vertebrates yawn, only humans, chimpanzees, and possibly dogs find yawning contagious. Also, humans don't find yawning infectious until they're about 4 years old. Recent studies show that contagious yawning may be linked to one's capacity for empathy, and the average yawn lasts about 6 seconds. So, how many times did you yawn while watching this report? We hope not too many.